Hey babes. So I know I look a little crazy. Today we're gonna dye my hair. I've been blue for quite some time, years, but it's time for a new beginning. We'll come back to it later, maybe. But I did a color oops to get that out because it was turning a little bit green, and now I have like a blonde color. It looks a little weird because the way that I dyed it was like a side part, and it was like underneath, if you will, because it is more in the back. I don't know if you could see it. Um, but it was really kind of like a peekaboo underneath kind of dye that I did besides the side part. And then it's grown out so much. It was at my root, but if you could tell, we got some growth. We got anyway. So yeah, we've been rocking a little blonde brown for a little meanie, and I've been debating between red and black. We're gonna go with black. I'm actually just about to vibe out, listen to some music, but I'll be recording, so it might go silent unless I do a voiceover. But you'll see me in this big old t-shirt because you do not want to dye your hair bare skin. Here's me in my big t-shirt, like I said. And now I'm going to show you all that I'm separating my hair into four. I'm so extra. But separating my hair into four sections. This makes it easier to not only detangle, even though my hair is somewhat already detangled, but it also helps with distributing the dye and trying to make sure you get like an even color around the whole head. Now, with it being a black color, I don't think this matters too much, but you always just want to do it thoroughly and detangle each section as well because that helps with it. So I'm just going to speed it up because it's self explanatory, and I'll be back on the next section. Right here, I check my length. And I get a little excited because even though I knew that like my hair was long and I was just having some shrinkage, I always get excited when my hair grows back because I stay cutting it. But you do want to read them instructions, okay? Don't play around, read them. Get you some gloves, put them on, and then follow the instructions. Emphasis on instructions. And you just mix that up and you shake it. But watch how I get this everywhere. I was shooketh, okay? Like messy as heck. But I take one of the back sections and I separate it into two because, smaller sections work better for me. And I feel like I'm getting it where I need to get it instead of just slapping it on a big section. But yeah, I just put that on there and run it through with my fingers. And I do that a good amount of times just because, like I was stating before, I just want to make sure it's evenly distributed and just on every piece of hair, especially since I have blonde. And then I do it to the other half, and you'll probably see me like twist them together to try to also make sure the product is saturated all over the hair. And then I'll probably speed this up so y'all can, oh, and I did. Because y'all can see. Y'all can see. I'm almost done. So as you can see, I kind of started at the bottom of my hair and worked it in the roots at the end just because they do die quicker. And even though it's black, I just wanted to be sure. So I didn't really get footage of what I did afterward because it was just crazy. I was in a rush. My brother came. It was too much. But You'll see me show y'all how I got it in my eye and then I put on my plastic cap for 30 minutes. I did rinse it with warm water and then I washed my hair afterward with my TGIM products. The only footage I have is like me afterward with it rinsed out and dried a little bit, which is here. And then me right before I did my flexi rod set with it blow dried. Bye.